Hello friend, welcome to my channel Knowledge of IoTx. Our today's topic, how to hide files and folder by using attribute command in Windows. Let's see the video. Today, we will use of this file for testing attribute command in Windows. First of all, click to search icon in the taskbar, and type into the run and click it. Now, type here cmd and enter. Now, start our action. If you want to change any drive letter, for entering any drive, then you can type only drive letter with colon sign, then enter. Yes, it has been changed, C drive to G drive. Now, we want to enter software folder in this drive. Now, we entered of the software folder. Now, if you want to back, then type cd and backslash, enter. Now, we go to the main action, the attribute command for hide any files and folder. Kindly attention of this attribute command. The attrib command is, attrib, +h, +s, +r, then type to folder name that want to hide. Look at this folder. Yes, after entering this command, immediately the folder disappeared. Again, check this command for image file. Yes, it worked. Now, we will check the folder option. Look at this option, and after changing it, kindly check of the G drive. The files and folder cannot be seen even after the change. So, if you use this attribute command, then only you can know about this files or folder, because of all the files are totally unable to seen. But remember, if you forget the folder or file's name, then you can't recover this files. Now, we will see how to recover it. Write down the command, attrib, -h, -s, -r, then folder, or file's name. Now, enter. Yes, the folder is back. Now, we will recover the image file. Now, enter. Yes, also image is back. So, goodbye, and stay tuned for enjoying more videos. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then kindly subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for getting more update. Thank you, have a nice day.